Practical. The word practical is an adjective that describes something that is useful, functional, or suitable for everyday use. It implies that something is grounded in reality and can be applied effectively in real-life situations. Here are a few examples to illustrate the meaning of practical. 1. A practical solution. Imagine you have a leaky faucet in your kitchen. A practical solution would be to call a plumber to fix it rather than attempting to repair it yourself if you lack the necessary skills and tools. 2. Practical advice. If you're planning a trip to a foreign country, practical advice would include suggestions on what to pack, how to navigate public transportation, and recommendations for local customs and etiquette. 3. Practical knowledge. In the context of learning a new skill, practical knowledge refers to the hands-on experience and application of what you have learned. For example, if you're learning to play a musical instrument, practicing regularly and applying the techniques you've learned is crucial for developing practical knowledge. 4. A practical person. Someone who is practical tends to make decisions based on what is most effective or efficient. They consider the practicality of a situation before taking action. For instance, if you're planning a party and need to choose between two venues, a practical person would consider factors such as location, cost, and capacity before making a decision. In summary, practical describes something that is useful, functional, and applicable in real-life situations. It is often associated with solutions, advice, knowledge, and individuals who prioritize effectiveness and efficiency.